Bye for now. Morning. Here we are, round to Tuesday. And look at the daylight. Amazing. But yeah, all good. I jabbed last night. Put a full dose in. Big boy pants are well and truly gone. Feeling good. Bit of sulfur burps, but feeling good other than that. Get home, get this done, and I'll probably see you tomorrow at some point. Let's keep going. See you in a bit. Morning. Welcome round to Wednesday, 6:45. And I did have a couple of pancakes last night, some sugar and lemon, but I paid the price. Acid reflux, indigestion, and the dreaded sulfur burps. Yeah, I've had them through the night and this morning. Oh, smell and taste that you just don't get anywhere else. Anyhow, the news. Had a good day yesterday. Tell you what, when you've got a day of meetings and you've got sulfur burps, that's a one to circumnavigate. But yeah, sorry, got this on my head. But yeah, I've had sulfur burps the last couple of days in a weird, profound kind of way. I'm kind of glad. Feels good to be back, baby. But I don't want them any more than that. Just a bit churny tummy, sulfury burps. That's enough. Don't want any more. This week, in a perverse kind of way, I felt quite good because I had sulfur burps. Is that weird? Yeah, a little weird. But it felt good that I actually felt something from Mounjaro again, because I've not actually felt it for a few weeks, as I've referenced. And like I've said, a few people who have been doing it for a long time, you kind of get, obviously, you get used to it and it just sort of, it's there. But it must be working, because I've been losing weight.